What's up guys, Surge here. So earlier this week, a Japanese blog claimed that the upcoming iPhone SE2 will retain the same 4-inch display and design based on the original iPhone 5s. It also speculated that the device will ditch the headphone jack, and we saw a concept based on all those informations. Now this time, the iPhone SE2 might have been caught on camera. The video was posted on Chinese social media service Weibo, and it claims to show an iPhone SE2 from every angle. So let's come to the video. Here it shows the unreleased iPhone with a glass back. Obviously this would be required for a wireless charging feature. Another revelation from the clip is the clearly visible 3.5mm headphone jack, which according to the latest report was not to feature on the iPhone SE2. So there's only the glass back which will distinguish the present iPhone SE from the future iPhone SE2. Now Campling just stated that the iPhone X is dead, and after looking at this new data, it seems that it is. The data comes from consumer intelligence research partners, and it suggests that throughout the first quarter of 2018, the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus both sold better than the iPhone X. Of course, the reason is the new attractive red color option available for the former models. Ming-Chi Kuo's note to clients from Thursday evening says that Apple plans to use new cover glass sensor technology in 6.1-inch iPhone's LCD display. CGS is a different way to sense touches and swipes on a touchscreen, and it results in a thinner overall display assembly. According to Kuo, the phone will also feature stronger display glass, and the LCD phone will be lighter overall. Lighter weight and stronger glass means that the phone's screen will be less likely to shatter when dropped. All that's good, but Apple will reportedly use an aluminum frame instead of the stainless steel. Secondly, we will have 3 gigs of RAM instead of 4. And finally, we'll not have 3D touch technology, and all of the other pricey sensors will be trimmed as well. Now all that trimming is just to lower down the cost of phone, but come on Apple, you could be a way better. So that's that. Tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.